Hi everyone, so today let's talk about one of the essential modules within the HR function, which is attendance management. Once you will sign in, you will directly land it on the home page of IVP Hub. This module helps employees efficiently manage their attendance records. The employee can view the listed submodule under attendance management, which is attendance regularization. It allows employees to regularize their attendance. Let's go through the steps to use this feature. Click on the attendance management, select attendance regularization. Once on this screen, go to choose month and select the specific month you'd like to view and click on go. To regularize the attendance, click on the arrow below to the specific day that shows absent or any status you wish to regularize. Select a reason for regularization from the options and click on submit. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK to confirm your request. Your regularization request will then to be submitting to your remoting manager for your approval. Additionally, to check your detailed attendance report, simply click on the icon next to your name. This will display your attendance details for the selected month, including punch-in timings, punch-out timings, total hours worked, and attendance status. That's it. That module is designed to make attendance tracking and management hassle-free. Thank you.